Welcome to our video on the top 10 most expensive cars in the world. We've compiled a list of the most luxurious and exclusive vehicles that will leave you amazed. So, let's dive right into it. Number 10, Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus. At $5.2 million, the Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus is the fastest production car ever made with a top speed of 304 miles per hour. Number 9, Pagani Huayra Imola. The Pagani Huayra Imola costs $5.4 million and has a V12 engine that produces 827 horsepower, reaching a top speed of 238 miles per hour. Number 8, Bugatti Divo. At $5.8 million, the Bugatti Divo has a top speed of 236 miles per hour and can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds. Number 7, the Mercedes-Benz Maybach Exelero. The Mercedes-Benz Maybach Exelero costs $8 million, has a 700 horsepower V12 engine, and can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds. Number 6, Koenigsegg Jesko. The Koenigsegg Jesko costs $3 million and can reach a top speed of 300 miles per hour and go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. Number 5, Bugatti Centodieci. At $9 million, the Bugatti Centodieci has a top speed of 236 miles per hour and can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds. Number 4 is Lamborghini Veneno. The Lamborghini Veneno costs $9.5 million and can reach a top speed of 220 miles per hour, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds. Number 3, Bugatti La Voiture Noire. At a whopping $19 million, the Bugatti La Voiture Noire can reach a top speed of 261 miles per hour, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds. Number 2, Rolls-Royce Sweptail. The Rolls-Royce Sweptail has a custom-built design with a price tag of $13 million, reaching a top speed of 150 miles per hour. Number 1, Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic. The Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic is the most expensive car in the world at $40 million. With only 4 ever produced, it's a classic and one of the rarest cars in the world. That concludes our list of the top 10 most expensive cars in the world. Which one of these cars would you like to own? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this.